Construction begins with certified marine-grade steel designed for extreme ocean conditions. Every material is carefully inspected before entering production. Ultrasonic inspection detects even the smallest internal imperfections. Only flawless steel continues to the manufacturing process. Every section of the yacht is digitally engineered before manufacturing begins. Computer precision ensures perfect alignment throughout production. Each steel plate is aligned within fractions of a millimeter. Laser guidance prepares for precision cutting.
High-powered fiber lasers create perfectly accurate hull components. Each cut matches the digital design exactly.
Every edge is polished to ensure flawless assembly. Smooth surfaces improve weld quality and structural strength. Hydraulic presses shape the steel into elegant hull curves. Every bend follows exact engineering specifications. Laser scanning verifies every curve with micron-level precision. Only perfectly shaped panels move forward. The hull begins taking shape inside precision assembly fixtures. Accurate positioning ensures perfect structural alignment. Robotic welders secure the first structural joints. These temporary welds prepare for full-strength assembly. Steel frames provide the yacht with exceptional structural strength. They form the backbone of the vessel. Longitudinal beams distribute structural loads throughout the hull. They prepare the vessel for heavy ocean conditions. Continuous welding creates incredibly strong structural connections. The hull gains its permanent strength. Clean welds make inspection more accurate. Surface preparation also improves corrosion resistance. Every weld is tested to meet the highest marine engineering standards. The approved hull now advances to full structural assembly. The inspected hull section is carefully transferred to the main assembly dock. Precision lifting prevents distortion of the heavy steel structure. Heavy-duty clamps eliminate movement before welding. Every connection is verified for maximum precision. Continuous welds permanently unite the keel with the hull. This joint supports the yacht throughout its service life. Longitudinal girders strengthen the hull against twisting forces. They create the vessel's primary load-bearing structure. Cross frames increase hull rigidity and stability. They also define the yacht's internal compartments. Watertight bulkheads improve safety and compartmentalization. Each opening is precision cut before installation. Bulkheads strengthen the vessel while creating internal spaces. Laser alignment ensures perfect positioning. Continuous welds seal every compartment. The hull now gains additional structural strength. Deck beams connect the hull into a rigid structure. They will support multiple luxury decks. Every deck panel is custom cut for its exact location. Integrated openings reduce later modifications. The yacht's main deck begins to take shape. Accurate placement ensures a perfectly level surface. The deck is permanently bonded to the hull. This creates a rigid marine structure. The outer hull panels define the yacht's streamlined profile. Each section fits seamlessly into the growing structure. The primary steel hull is now structurally complete. Next comes the installation of the powerful mechanical systems that bring the yacht to life. The completed hull now enters the mechanical outfitting phase. Every engine foundation is measured with extreme precision. Rigid engine foundations distribute power evenly throughout the hull. Anti-vibration mounts improve onboard comfort. Permanent welds lock the engine supports into place. The yacht is now ready for propulsion installation.
Powerful marine diesel engines arrive for installation. Each engine weighs several tons and requires precise handling.
Each engine is lowered with millimeter accuracy. Precise alignment is essential for reliable propulsion. Hydraulic tools apply exact tightening force. Balanced mounting reduces vibration throughout the yacht.
Немного левее.
Есть.
Еще чуть-чуть.
Так, проверяй.
Идеал. Можно крепить.
Satures. Polished, stainless steel propeller shafts are slowly inserted through the stern tube bearings using hydraulic positioning systems.
Laser alignment ensures smooth power transmission. Even tiny adjustments improve long-term reliability. High-capacity fuel tanks provide extended cruising range. Secure mounting ensures safe operation at sea. Precision fuel lines deliver clean fuel to each engine. Every connection is inspected for maximum safety. Efficient cooling keeps the engines operating at optimal temperatures. Titanium components resist long-term corrosion. Marine exhaust systems safely remove engine gases. Thermal insulation protects nearby equipment. Engineers verify every moving component before testing. Precision inspection prevents future mechanical issues. The propulsion system is now fully installed and approved. Next, advanced electrical and control systems marine cable trays organize thousands of electrical connections. They protect wiring while simplifying future maintenance. Heavy-duty copper cables carry electrical power across the vessel. Every cable is labeled for precise system identification. The switchboard distributes power throughout the yacht. Integrated protection systems guard every electrical circuit. An independent generator provides reliable emergency power. It ensures essential systems remain operational. Marine battery banks provide uninterrupted electrical power. Smart monitoring continuously tracks battery health. Every circuit is tested before the yacht receives power. Comprehensive diagnostics ensure long-term reliability. The bridge becomes the command center of the presidential yacht. Every console is positioned for maximum operator efficiency. Advanced navigation systems provide accurate maritime control. Integrated displays combine radar, charts, and vessel data. Satellite communication keeps the yacht connected worldwide. Multiple navigation signals improve positioning accuracy. The bridge systems undergo comprehensive functional testing. Every control responds exactly as designed. The HVAC network distributes climate-controlled air. Insulated ducts maximize efficiency and comfort. Marine air conditioning units provide consistent onboard comfort. Each system is carefully pressure tested after installation. Freshwater plumbing delivers clean water across the vessel. Precision routing simplifies future maintenance. Advanced fire protection safeguards every compartment. Multiple sensors provide continuous onboard monitoring. All core technical systems have been successfully integrated. The yacht is now ready for its luxury presidential interior. Lightweight aluminum framing creates the yacht's interior layout. Every partition is positioned with laser-guided precision. Premium insulation creates a quiet and comfortable onboard environment. It also improves thermal efficiency and fire protection. Premium hardwood veneers create a timeless luxury appearance. Each panel is individually aligned for a seamless finish. The ceiling structure conceals wiring and ventilation systems. It also provides a refined architectural finish. Layered LED lighting enhances the yacht's elegant interior. Every fixture is tested immediately after installation. A perfectly level foundation ensures flawless marble installation. Marine adhesives absorb vibration during operation. Premium marble flooring reflects the yacht's luxurious character. Each slab is positioned with exceptional precision. Multiple polishing stages create a flawless mirror finish. The completed floor enhances the yacht's grand interior. Every furniture piece is handcrafted for the presidential residence. Hidden mounting systems keep furnishings secure at sea. Guest cabins receive the same premium craftsmanship. Every room balances luxury with marine functionality. Luxury bathrooms combine premium materials with precision engineering. Every fixture is tested before completion. The executive galley is designed for high-end onboard dining. Professional equipment supports formal state events. The grand dining hall is prepared for official receptions. Custom furnishings complete the elegant atmosphere. The presidential lounge combines comfort with refined craftsmanship. Every decorative element is carefully positioned. The handcrafted interior meets the highest luxury standards. Next, the yacht receives its signature exterior finish and final preparations for launch. The yacht's exterior is carefully prepared before painting. A perfectly smooth surface ensures a flawless finish. Marine epoxy primer protects the hull from corrosion. Uniform coating thickness is continuously monitored. Controlled curing maximizes coating durability. The hardened primer prepares the hull for its final finish. Marine polyurethane paint delivers exceptional durability and gloss. Multiple coats create a mirror-like exterior finish. The clear coat enhances gloss while protecting against sunlight and seawater. It completes the yacht's premium exterior finish. Professional polishing produces a flawless reflective surface. The finished hull showcases exceptional craftsmanship. Marine caulking seals every joint against water intrusion. It also allows the teak to expand naturally. Premium teak provides beauty, durability, and excellent traction. Every plank is individually fitted for a seamless appearance. Marine stainless steel resists corrosion for decades. The polished railings combine safety with elegance. Marine safety glass provides strength and outstanding visibility. Precision sealing ensures complete weather protection. The radar mast supports essential navigation equipment. It extends the yacht's communication and detection capabilities. Every lighting system is tested for safe nighttime operation. The illuminated yacht reveals its striking exterior design. Every visible detail receives careful finishing touches. Luxury craftsmanship is evident from every angle. Every exterior component is carefully inspected. The yacht now meets strict manufacturing standards. The presidential yacht is fully assembled and ready for launch. The final stage will prove its performance on the open water. The completed presidential yacht leaves the production hall. Precision transport systems safely carry its enormous weight. The floating dock supports the yacht before launch. Laser alignment ensures perfect positioning. The yacht enters the water for the very first time. Engineers closely observe its initial floating position. Every onboard system is verified before sailing. Dockside testing confirms operational readiness. The main engines come to life for the first time. Engineers verify every performance parameter. The main engines come to life for the first time. Engineers verify every performance parameter. The propulsion system is tested under controlled conditions. Every rotating component performs within specification. Performance trials measure speed and propulsion efficiency. Every system is evaluated under real operating conditions. Engineers evaluate steering precision and vessel stability. The yacht responds smoothly to every command. Integrated navigation systems operate together seamlessly. Every electronic function is verified during sea trials.
The hull plating is within tolerance. Check the alignment on the starboard propeller. Pressure looks good here. All diagnostics are nominal. We are ready.
The final detailing highlight the yacht's exceptional craftsmanship. Every surface is prepared for official acceptance. The completed yacht satisfies every manufacturing requirement. Official approval marks the end of production. The presidential yacht stands ready for delivery. Years of engineering and craftsmanship come together. The Russian presidential yacht Chaika is now complete. From raw steel to a world-class luxury vessel,